Today's episode, get paid to sleep. But do we make it to the next pickup? Good morning. Very early morning today. It's currently 1:24 in la mañana. Spanish getting better. So, if you're wondering where I'm going, check my old video. I'm gonna say it anyway. Going to Tanner, Alabama. Alabama bound, sweet home of it. So, let's get everything rocking and rolling. Oil looks good. Checked under the hood already. I recommend, if you're gonna get into trucking, get a cheap spotlight from Walmart. This one's a Hyper Tough. Dude, this thing's been awesome. I mean, it was like 20 bucks or something like that. And it was 20, 30, I don't remember. It's awesome. Rechargeable, recharges very quickly, and does great work. So let's see if she starts. Beautiful, beautiful. So let's finish up with a good old light test now that the truck's on, and I'm gonna get rolling. I gotta grab some DEF from the fuel station just over there to keep the government happy and the environment. I'm running low. But anyway, I'll be throwing you on a time lapse so you see all my driving. Most of it's gonna be pretty boring, so I put it on 3 or 4 times speed to get you through. Like the dark, you can't really see anything. It's just the road winding back and forth. But once the sunrise happens, that's always beautiful. Always check out the clouds. I don't know, I just leave it in there to make sure you remember that truckers drive. Seems like no other truckers put that in, and it's easy to just forget how much truckers drive. I mean, if you don't like driving, you won't be a good trucker. Always remember, I'm a trucker first and a YouTuber second, so I don't want dramatic stuff to happen. Content is not my target right now. That's why I don't have a Peterbilt. That's why I don't this and that and this and that. I don't do all that yet, for now. It would be cool to one day have a Peterbilt and maybe a Kenworth or whatever, but we'll see. We will see. I also got to grab a case of water, and I really hope I don't forget that at the fuel station here, because I'm out of water. Anyway, catch you in a sec. Just realized I think an explanation is in order. When I say DEF, I'm talking about DEF, diesel exhaust fluid. All right, we got $39 worth of DEF, almost 16 gallons. Woo! And I got me a case of water. Let's get started up and rolling. Hopefully, it's gonna be a smooth drive down. All right, we're here in Alabama. Pretty easy drive, I'd say. Just taking it easy. I don't know if I left really early or something compared to usual, but I got here 45 minutes early. I don't know, last time I got here around 7, so it's not that weird. It's 6:40 right now. Anyway, he told me just to wait and he'll come grab me, so I'm gonna go up there and try to take a nap, because I'm not like super tired, but I was getting tired. Yeah. Just pounded out a 5-hour drive, 5.5, I don't know what it was, 4.5. Who knows? I was going real slow though, trying to get good fuel mileage, as I do. Anywho, catch you in a second whenever he knocks on my door to get me pulled on there. I don't know what's up with my phone. My alarm did not go off. I set like a 20-minute alarm. That was like almost 2 hours ago. No. Yeah? I don't know. I'm gonna go see if anyone's already in line. There's no trucks around, but who knows? Oh, can't believe I did that, but I feel a lot better. Man, I don't know what it is. I don't know what my luck is. Never had an issue here. And the reason he didn't call me to wake me up or come over and wake me up or whatever, is because they don't have room. I don't know. We'll see what they do, but he showed me on the cameras, and everything's just chock full back there. there's not enough room for another one. Another whole truckload. I don't know. I'll just let my guy know, but man, I got a reload already, so the reload's going from Pulaski, Tennessee up to Henderson. Pulaski's only about 30 miles north of here. Well, I don't know. And the guy said, the guard's like, yeah, from what I understand, Kentucky doesn't take those back. You can't, you know, so it's not going to be a matter of like, I take it back to the shipper. It's going to be a matter of, I wait here till they have room. The other place, I think they're like open from 8 a.m. to 2 or something, so it won't be the end of the world, but unless I miss that, it takes them that long to get space. Maybe they're just, I don't know. He said that, and I heard this from the other dude too, is that they don't order. Mexico, their headquarters in Mexico or whatever, order for them, and they don't realize how little room they have left. Maybe aluminum prices are really low, and so right now they're buying a lot so that they kind of have it at a good price. I don't know. I need to text my guy and tell him, hey, something's actually gone wrong for the first time. Not looking forward to that, but anyway, I'm gonna park over here, text him, and then honestly, I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm probably gonna go try to go back to sleep because, you know, it does me no good to just sit here awake and worry. And I gave the guy my phone number. 11:12. We'll have ended up being here for 5 hours. What time did I get here? 6:40, and it's 11. It's 28 minutes away from being, you know, I don't know. Honestly, I don't really care. I just took another nap. I just kind of funny. I mean, I'm making money out here. It is what it is. If I'm making money, then I'm making money. So, no biggie. I do not mind. Need to respond to my wife. I saw she texted me a second ago saying, "You sleeping?" I don't think I've texted her what is going on. This never happened here, so never happened here. Well, anyway, let's hope they at least get me out in a decent time, I suppose. I don't know. Don't know what to say. See you in a sec. Well, smash my trash is in my way. Not a sentence I ever thought I'd hear. I can still get around him. I just thought it'd be funny to say. Smash my trash. 1-800 smash my trash. Plot thickens. Comes over. He's like, "Yeah, give me a sec. I got my forklift stuck in the dirt." It's like how some of these days I can't. I don't know. Oh man, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Laugh or cry. I pick laugh. I pick laugh every time. No big deal. So, he's in there getting me unstrapped, and then I'll be getting unloaded. And then I'll be waiting for 30 more minutes, and then I'll be moving again. So, that's just trucking. That's how it goes. I'm like really not upset at all. I really don't care. It's for my good. It's for my guy. Like, this is a regular load I do, so I do not mind it. If it were just like a one-off deal, I'd be kind of mad, you know, like, oh man, I gotta go. I wanted to go do this or that, but my guy told me he'll give me some detention, which is nice. Basically, get paid to sleep. But I would have been fine if he said no detention. It's just part of having a relationship with the broker. You know, you expect them to be lenient when you're late or you take too long. You hope that they're lenient, although you try to never make it happen. And in return, you should be lenient for them whenever their customers, which is none of their control, by the way, doesn't do something right for you. So that's what it was. The other day, or a few times, I've had to ask him if I can pick up later than he likes, and he was fine with it. So you know, that helped me out, and then I was just gonna be fine helping him out with this one. Like, hey, you know, whatever. My new reload is from Pulaski, Tennessee, up to Henderson, back near where I picked this one up. Also through him. So I had a full day of work booked from one broker just saying, hey, you free tomorrow? Yes. Yes, I am. And then I've got a dirt bike event this weekend. It's like a 2-day ride in Missouri. So I don't know if I'm gonna work Friday or heck even tomorrow much. I might do something short tomorrow, but kind of need to start seeing the fruits of my labor as far as not just working my butt off all the time, you know? Especially in a down economy. I don't want to be just grasping at straws. I wonder how much it must cost to get one of these dumpsters empty. Because they're sitting there with a dude who's crushing down trash. Like, how much is that guy making? I didn't even know this was a business. Crashing trash. He's just like rolling along. All right, the broker just called for this. It's the same broker, but he's like, hey, are you gonna make it there by 2? If they're still not, you know, grooving on you, I gotta take you off this load. And I'm like, yeah, hold on. Let me see. And they finally started working on me, and he's only got a few stacks left. Maybe like 1 now at this point. So I got the truck started, it's airing up, and we're just gonna have to hightail it over there. It's an hour. It says right now, if I left right now and didn't have to stop at the scale or shut doors, slide tandem, it'd be 1:30. So, yeah, but it will have ended up being quite a long time here. So he went in, let me get everything ready to roll. Thank you! All right, we gotta hightail it. Not illegally fast, but hold on. All right, got here before the 2 o'clock cutoff, 1:35. But you gotta see this truck here. How much weight do you think is in that thing? Man, I have to curb it. Slowly. All right, Just called, said, come on over. Let's get her started up. Head across the street. Some bales. Loaded up here in Pulaski, Tennessee. Pulaski? I don't know how to say it. But, man, talk about some hoops to jump through. So let's just get this thing started up. And rolling towards home. He said, don't go right here. Many tractor trailers have had their stuff torn off. What is this? Oh, man. Looks like someone ran off the road. Man, that was really rough. Hope that guy's okay. It was he's a square nose though, for all you Volvo haters. All right, we're back actually at my house. So I disconnected. Hopefully nothing crazy happens. I disconnected in like an old store lot with a bunch of other trucks around, and that way I didn't have to pay for the fuel coming there and back with a heavy trailer, go all the way to my lot, pick up my pickup truck, go all the way over, and blah blah blah. So I'll just be headed back out in the morning. Deliveries at 8 a.m. in Henderson, but I was reading online, I think I'll get there early because it looks like a place that you probably want to get there early. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope I hope you're enjoying these. I've got some comments coming that people like them. Hope you're learning if that's your goal. I'm trying to be as transparent as I can, and if I'm not being transparent about something, it's either on purpose or it's not. So go ahead and leave me a comment asking me about it, all right? Comment if you liked it, comment what you didn't. I want to hear everything. But for now, there's easier ways to make money, but what's the fun in that? I'll catch you